So students, last time we had studied about the concept of atomic numbers and atomic masses, and also about the three types of particles of atom, which were protons, electrons and neutrons. Now in this class we are going to study about the isotopes, isotones and isobars. First of all, let's discuss isotopes. Okay, so students, basically the atoms of the same element which have the same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. So it has basically same atomic number and different atomic mass. Okay, this is what your isotopes. Students, here we can take the example of protium atom and deuterium. In the earlier class we had studied about the symbols of representing the atoms. In that we had studied that the number present in the lower side represents the atomic number and the numbers present in the upper side represents the atomic masses. Here we can see that the atomic number is same. It means that the number of protons and the number of electrons are same. As you all know that atomic number is basically the number of protons or the number of electrons. But in case of atomic mass is basically the mass of the nucleus, which has protons and neutrons in it. So it is basically the sum of the protons and the neutrons. So here we can see that the atomic mass is different. But if we are having same number of protons, then in that case there must be some difference in the in the number of neutrons. That is why we are having different atomic mass here. Okay, so in this case basically the number of neutrons is different, but protons and electrons are same. Okay, here we can take the here we have explained this here I have explained this with an example of protium and deuterium atom. Next we move forward towards the isobars. So students, basically isobars are the atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic numbers. Okay, so it has same atomic mass but different atomic number. Okay, so basically students, here we can take the example of argon and krypton. Here the atomic mass of argon and krypton, both of them are 40, but the atomic number are different. That is of argon it is 18 and of krypton it is 19. Okay, so in this case, as we can see here, that the atomic number is different but the atomic mass is same. Okay, so this is what your isobars. Okay, next we move towards the isotones. So basically students, isotones are those atoms which have same number of neutrons but different mass numbers. Okay, it has same number of neutrons but still it has different atomic mass. Okay, for example, we can take here the example of phosphorus, whose atomic number is 15 and atomic mass is 31. Okay, and we can compare it with sulfur, whose atomic number is 16 and atomic mass is 32. Okay, so in case of phosphorus, atomic number is 15. It means that it has 15 proton and 15 electron, right? And if here the atomic mass is 31, then in that case the number of neutrons will be equal to 31 minus 15, which will be equal to 16 neutrons. Okay, so it will have 16 neutrons. In case of sulfur, the number of protons will be 16, as the atomic number is 16. Okay, so atomic number is 16, so the number of protons will be 16 here, and the number of neutrons will be also 16 here, because the atomic mass is 32. Okay, so 32 minus 16 is 16, so the number of neutrons here it will be 16. Okay, so this is how we can know that in case of phosphorus and sulfur, we are saying that the atomic number is also different, atomic mass is also different, but still we are having same number of neutrons. That is why they are known as isotones. Okay, so isotones are basically those atoms which have same number of neutrons.